Most people don't know that you can do this. You can use Google and this tool over here that is so simple yet so effective to make a fantastic side hustle income online, where I made over $50 in the past couple of weeks doing this without any effort at all. There's other people doing this and making money with this in just minutes. Now, as you can see, it's nothing crazy. It's not a lot of money. It's not hundreds of dollars online, but $6, $7, $5, another $6, $5.11 really starts to add up over time. Step number one is to come over to Google and search up Google News. Once you're on Google News, you want to find trending topics around the world at the moment, as this whole strategy is going to rely on piggybacking current trends and using trending topics. As the saying goes, where the attention goes, the money goes. If you click on the US on the top menu bar of news.google, you will find some of the most trending topics right now that is happening in the United States. The next step is to come over to this website called SEOwriting.ai and create your free account. On the top right hand side, click on Get Started. It's free. You can log in straight away with your Google account. Your account is now created, and don't worry, this tool is literally going to do most of the work for you. Step number 4, come over to ChatGPT and paste the following prompt. Write 10 topic ideas and titles for the following bizarre news events happening in the USA. Come back to Google News and copy one of these titles of these trending news lists in the USA. Come back to ChatGPT and write number 1 and paste that title. Write number 2, click on space, come back to Google News, and we can go and copy another title. So for example, this title over here, we can copy that, come back to ChatGPT and paste that. Number 3, come back to Google News and let's use this one over here. Paste that into ChatGPT and click on send. And ChatGPT will give you its top 10 blog article ideas for these trending topics that we're going to currently piggyback on Google News, so that we can go and capitalize on these topics to follow the attention, to follow the trend, and to ultimately make money from this. And what exactly are we supposed to do with these titles? Well, really simple. Go and copy one of these title ideas. For example, number 1 over here that's been generated for you. Come back to SEOwriting.ai and we want to click on one-click blog post. And this is a really fantastic tool that's going to put together your own unique blog post in your own words with no plagiarism or copyright issues. Everything's going to be created for you from scratch, specifically for you, under your own name and under your own words. So you can click on one-click blog post over here, and under your main keyword, paste the title that ChatGPT has created for you. Click on generate title and let this generate a title, and it's now generated that title for you. And this is an AI tool that you can use to generate all sorts of AI titles and done for you blog posts and article posts based on that title that you've entered. Now, how exactly are we going to make money from this? Well, make sure to keep watching as I'm going to reveal that in the next steps. And this is exactly what people didn't know. What people don't know is actually how much potential revenue is resting on these trending topics, and a very specific strategy that you can use to start monetizing and making money off these simple titles and articles and these attention-grabbing topics at the moment. And this is exactly how you're going to do that. You can customize the tone of voice between friendly, professional, informational, transactional, inspirational, neutral, witty, casual, authoritative, encouraging. We're just going to keep it friendly and simple. You can change the language to any language in this world and translate all of these articles to suit different audiences in different countries where obviously the languages vary. I like to leave all of this as is. You can also scroll down and enter NLP keywords, which is keywords that is going to help rank this article on the top pages of Google and specific search engines. And the fantastic thing about SEOwriting.ai is that it automatically generates the most optimal keywords for your blog post. So click on NLP keyword generation, and in a couple of minutes, it will automatically add all of this for you so that you can start ranking on Google and any other search engines such as DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo, and whatever else is out there. You can add AI images to your article. Yes, the number of images, the image style, the image sizes. You can even add YouTube videos that this AI tool will find content on YouTube that's relative to your article and plug that into your article. You can make really fantastic content with this tool for Google ranking if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to sell products on Shopify, review products. This is an all-in-one tool that's really going to do everything for you. So you don't have to sit for hours on end trying to write up these posts, trying to come up with content ideas. This AI tool is literally going to search the entire internet for you in just a couple of seconds and put this together for you. And I'm going to show you right now what it's going to look like. This is a platform that a lot of people don't know about. And one of the best places to go and make money off these bizarre news events that's happening right now on True Events is on listverse.com, where people are posting all sorts of different articles, mostly on things that have happened in the past based on true events. Now, you can actually go and make money off this website. If you come up to the top right-hand side, you click on more, you can click on write and get paid. And if I quickly read through this, so here's the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. So you don't need to be some literature pro or have some English degree or be some kind of fancy Shakespeare English speaker. You can be a normal speaker, but keep in mind, remember, AI is doing all of this for us. You don't even need to know English at all, and you can start making money with this website. So this is how it works. You will write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You will then send it into this website. They will reply, great, we'll publish it, and they'll send you $100 by PayPal. If you don't have an account, you can make one that's completely free on this website, really easy to sign up. Or they're going to reply, sorry, this isn't just the sort of thing our readers will love. Give it another shot. That means they're just not interested in this topic right now. Find a different topic and just keep reposting and resubmitting to this website until you get approved. And also remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Either way, you win. Your list will be read by us and reviewed. If it's amazing, they will appear on the front page in front of millions of people a month on the front of this page. So the fantastic thing about this website is they're getting millions of people to this site and they paying you $100, but where we're going to make the real money from this is through the article itself. So that's why I say this website, you just got to keep trying until you get it approved, and one will eventually get approved and you will find a topic that they like. But keep in mind, we're already on the right path of finding right topics because, well, we're using some of the most trending news events in the world right now. So there will be at least 1 or 2 of them that they're going to be interested in, that they know their audience will like. Really simple to submit this. Click on more, click on submit a list. Over here, you need to enter your details, your name, email address, your PayPal email address to go and get paid, your author blurb, so tell us about you, promote your social media. So you can just simply say, I'm a freelance journalist that covers some of the most trending topics and news events in the world. I write articles and I publish them online. It will be fantastic to have this opportunity with you guys to get some of my interesting topics that is happening around the world right now published with you guys. You can say something as simple as that. You can also ask ChatGPT for help. You can ask, give me an author blurb for myself, and ChatGPT will generate you a fantastic template. For your top 10 list, you just need to enter your title, the introduction to your article, and the full contents of your article. To go and get that, you're going to come over to SEOwriting.ai, where we've been creating this article. And then finally, on the top right-hand side over here, click on run on this article so that it will go and generate this for you. You'll see over here, it loads up a status bar. Once this is at 100%, it's now complete. We have our article to go and submit to this website. The status is now complete. You can go and click on your article and take a look at this over here. Completely done for you. Really fantastic in just a couple of seconds. I mean, for somebody to go and write this out is going to take days, hours, weeks, maybe even months to go and find all this content, put it together, whereas this tool finds everything you need on the internet in a couple of seconds. So now we need to go and copy this title, come back to submit a list, just paste your list title over here, an introduction, come back to the introduction of, or come back to your article on SEO writing, copy the first paragraph, more than fine for the introduction. And then over here for the full contents, we can go and copy the full contents of this article. So just click on copy and paste this over here. Click on agree to terms and conditions and simply click on submit list. Within a couple of days, you're going to receive an email. Great, we'll publish it and you'll receive your $100 via PayPal. If they're not happy with it, they're going to tell you, sorry, it's just not the sort of thing our readers will be interested in. Then it's fine. You just simply repeat the process. Go onto Google News, find something else that's perhaps interesting. You can use all of these trending topics over here and they're going to be updated every couple of hours. So you're essentially going to have unlimited topics to submit to this website where eventually they will approve 1 or 2 or even a few. Now, this is where we're going to truly make our money from this. So this first way on write and get paid on listverse.com is one of many ways to make money from this. The first way is we're going to come over to Google and we're going to go and search free article publishing sites. JustPublishingAdvice.com are 12 free platforms for writers to publish articles online. So if I scroll down over here, you'll see we've got Medium, LinkedIn articles, Publish PDF, Scoopit, Isu, Udo, and plenty others. So let's come over firstly to Medium.com. Let's use the example of Medium.com. Now, if you didn't know, Medium.com is the largest article publishing website for the public in the world with hundreds of millions of traffic every single month. So there's a lot of people that come onto this website, a lot of potential traffic for us to make money off of. But this is where we're going to make our money money. So on medium.com, you can click on the top right hand side, sign in with your account, click on write. It will then take you to the new stories section. Come back to SEOwriting.ai, copy the title of your article, paste this over here, and under the story section of your article, this is the trick that we're going to use to make money off of this. We're going to copy only half of this article. Just like this, even the first quarter. You then want to paste this over here. Click on enter, and type the following. Click here to read the full story. Before we continue with this, come back to your article on SEOwriting.ai. Again, copy the whole article. You're just going to have to scroll to the bottom, highlight all of this, right-click, copy. Come over to docs.google.com and open up a blank document and paste this over here. Now what we need to go and do is click on File, click on Download as a PDF document. Now we've got our article saved as a PDF format. So we then can come over to drive.google.com, upload the same PDF to Google Drive. It will upload in just a couple of seconds. This PDF won't be very big, but over here, once this is loaded up, click on the three dots, click on Share, click on Copy Link, click on Manage Access, click on Restricted to anyone with this link, and copy this link. You're going to come over to this website called shrinkearn.com. This is the highest paying URL shortener of 2024, and you can earn up to $20 per 1,000 clicks on your link. Now, all this tool does is you paste your Google URL in this earn money link over here. Just make sure that you enter the captcha. We can just fulfill this quickly. This website will then generate you a short URL. Now, every time somebody clicks on this, they're going to be prompted with one or two ads that they have to watch for 15 seconds. Once they finished watching that ad, they're going to be taken through to your full article in PDF form, where you will earn money every time someone clicks on that link. So now we're going to come back to medium.com, where we're busy writing our story. Highlight this link over here where it says click to read the full story, click on link and paste this URL over here. So now what this is doing is this is incentivizing people to read the full story. So when they click on read the full story, they're going to be prompted with a couple of ads and then finally taken through to the full story. But every time they do that, you're going to make money per click. I've just broken down 2 fantastic ways for you guys to make money off some of the most trending news topics happening in the world right now. Now, if you guys want to go and learn how I made well over $100 a day promoting this Google Drive link in this video over here, this is a video where I documented selling these video editing assets in this Google Drive for hundreds of dollars every single day to an audience on social media. Really fantastic way to start getting into selling digital products. Also very similar. It's got to rely on traffic and people and building an audience and building a lead base, but it's something that can blow up into a very large, good earning business. So if you guys want more insight into that and how exactly I did this, make sure to click on this video on the screen over here on the screen. It's about 15 minutes long and it's completely free on YouTube. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All my content is for free on my YouTube channel. Click on this video over here. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.